How I got rid of belly fat and achieved visible abs? Follow these steps. To get rid of belly fat and achieve visible abs, you need two things: a balanced diet that creates a calorie deficit, and a consistent exercise routine that includes both cardio and strength training. Forget the quick fixes or magic solutions. These are the proven steps that work. Cut down on carbs and sugars. Focus on a low-carb, high-protein diet to help reduce body fat. Avoid processed sugars and replace them with whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and nuts. Incorporate healthy fats. Eat healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil to help control hunger and stabilize energy levels. Try intermittent fasting. Consider intermittent fasting to manage your eating patterns and reduce overall calorie intake. This can help improve your metabolism and reduce belly fat faster. Allow occasional treats. Don't deprive yourself. Occasional indulgences keep you motivated and prevent binge eating. Mix cardio and strength training. Combine both cardio exercises like walking, jogging, or cycling with strength training like squats, lunges, and push-ups. This combination burns calories and builds muscle, which is essential for visible abs. Focus on consistency over intensity. Start with at least 3 workouts per week and gradually increase to 4 or 5. Consistent, moderate workouts are more sustainable than intense sessions you can't stick with. Use effective exercises. Choose exercises that target multiple muscle groups to maximize fat loss and muscle definition. Proper form is key to avoiding injury and getting results. Move consistently throughout the day. You don't need high-intensity cardio sessions every day. Instead, aim for consistent movement throughout your day. Walk more, take the stairs, or find activities you enjoy. This keeps your body burning calories and helps reveal those abs over time. Stay focused on sustainable changes. Forget extreme diets or workout plans. Focus on making small, sustainable changes. Start by replacing sugary drinks with water or green tea. Add a daily walk or choose healthier snacks. Small steps lead to big results over time. Recap and take action today. To get visible abs, follow a balanced, low-carb diet. Include healthy fats and consider intermittent fasting. Combine cardio and strength training. Focus on consistency and make small, sustainable changes. Start now. Don't wait. Start making these changes today. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Join our community in the comments and share your progress. We're here to support each other on this journey to achieving our fitness goals.